Today we have a 69 Camaro SS396 came in. Customer bought it in the States. Looks like it's got some nice work done to it. There's a healthy big block in it, AC, vintage AC. It's got some 18-inch wheels on the front, 20s in the back. Looks good. Except they rub on the fender just a lot because the person that assembled it heated the front springs to lower it, and he did just a little too much on the driver's side, so it's kind of lopsided. The power steering, although it's a really nice aftermarket unit, is leaking, so I'm going to take it apart and see what's wrong. Probably just an O-ring. Transmission's leaking from the front, also from the shifter and the rear. So we'll take that apart and reseal it in bushings, whatever it needs. Exhaust is put together not so great. They bashed the shit out of this, not sure why. And we got some tape on the exhaust because, you know, tape. We're gonna weld that and make it good. Also leaking is the power steering box itself, which is not uncommon. So we'll reseal that up. And I'm sure that's gonna be great to get out of there with the headers, but we'll get it. And the rear here, they've got some jank going on. They lowered it with a big fat aluminum block. It's also rubbing. They've got the exhaust rubbing against the tire, and the shocks are original 1969 Camaro. So chances are, and you know, all the oil's leaked out of them. Chances are we're gonna put some new QA1s all around so we can adjust the ride properly and get this thing working the way the customer wants.